9 o'clock in the morning and I just finished my grocery shopping. What? There's only one reason why I would be in my car willingly this early. Last night, I was too tired to do today's Celine a solid street cleaning, so I had to move my car by 8 a.m. Anyway, I'm gonna go home and make muffins. My friend has arrived and I'm gonna make us pumpkin muffins. So usually at this time of year, the trees are like bursting with color. It's still mostly green and it's supposed to be like red and orange. And okay, like yes, but it's supposed to be vibrant. I'm trying to get to a higher vantage point to see if I can see more colors, because right now I'm not like impressed. It's too green. Yeah, too much green. Kind of disappointing, honestly. Maybe in like a week or so, we'll come back and see if it's any better. See how it's mostly green? It's supposed to be like orange, like that, but for like all of them. So when I was in music school in college, my next door neighbor in the dorm next to me was an oboe player. Two of them actually lived right next to me. We shared a wall. This feels very similar, and I'm about to practice too. So I'm gonna practice in the kitchen and she's practicing in the living room, and it's gonna feel just like music school again. Good thing we're both really good at concentrating. Our first performance is tomorrow. Hi, Editing Celine here. So as I was editing the rest of this video, I realized I never fully explained what it was we did on this day. It was an insane day. We woke up at the buttcrack of dawn. We did a workshop at like 9:30 a.m. at a high school. And then we had a rehearsal in their auditorium, which was beautiful and fun and helpful. We left and we went to another school to do another workshop. It was one of the El Sistema programs in Boston. It's like all of the schools are like minors. I did not take any personal video of the workshops. But then after that, we had another like 2-hour rehearsal. And then we finished up our day and I didn't have anything to eat except for a protein bar for the entirety of the day. My brain never turned on, like in the morning, but yeah, this was not a good day for me, and that's why there's not a lot of good video. I wanted to like explain that before you see a series of clips with no specific narrative.
I know. I figured.
One second. I have to get prepared.
Go team.
Done.
Well, it's better.
Yeah.
I think you could find something flippable.
Oh my god, what is with my brain today? Sorry, stop. Can we play much quieter? I can't hear the beat. Sorry, I didn't mean to yell.